8 in the Alec Murdaugh.
Day 9 of the double
Week 3 of the Alec 100 hours of testimony.
This is the 14th day of
As
the
that
double
trial
murder.
drags into week 4,
This is day 17.
Now the defense called more witnesses.
Day 22 of the Alec Murdaugh.
Week 6, day 25, and the double murder trial of Alec Murdaugh continues in Colleton
Alec
County.
Murdaugh's on trial for the double homicide of his wife, Maggie, and his son, Paul, near the dog kennels of their family's hunting estate. Local media has called it the trial of the century in South Carolina. It has attracted media from across the world.
Their family.
Alec Murdaugh used to be a really predominant lawyer in South Carolina and is a member of this very powerful legal dynasty.
On the evening of June 7th, 2021, his son Paul Murdaugh was standing in a small feed room in some kennels they had on the property. The defendant over there, Alec Murdaugh, took a 12-shade shotgun and shot him in the chest and the shoulder. But after that, another shot went up under his head and did catastrophic damage.
The lead prosecutor for the state is Creighton Waters.
Just moments later, he picked up a .300 Blackout AR-style rifle and opened fire on his wife, Maggie, pow pow, and killed her instantly.
Alex Murdaugh's claim is that he ate dinner with his family, took a nap on the couch. He goes to visit his mother, comes home just after 10 p.m. and finds his wife and child shot and killed.
This is Alex Murdaugh. My wife and child are shot badly.
Copy, I'm going on scene.
His immediate reaction was to start telling me about an incident that had happened with his son with a boating accident.
My son was in a boat wreck a few months back. He's been getting threats. I know that's what it is.
I'm Seth Stoughton. I'm a law professor at the University of South Carolina. Paul Murdaugh was on a boat with some other individuals. There was drinking. The boat crashed and one of the individuals on the boat, Mallory Beach, was killed.
He told you that it was just random vigilantes from the boat case of which there is no evidence whatsoever.
They were alleging that Alec wanted to murder his wife and son because he wanted to hide the fact that he'd been stealing millions of dollars from his law firm and his clients for years.
This is a spreadsheet referencing each client and the amount that was stolen from each client. $225,073.46, $112,500, $338,056.14.
And why did y'all have to pay all that money back?
Because Alec had stolen it.
The facts are what matter here. The facts.
Murdaugh's got some heavy hitters on his side. Descartes Putlian is the Johnny Cochran of South Carolina.
Did he murder his wife and son?
No.
Does he have any idea who did?
No.
There's no eyewitness. There's no fingerprints. There's no forensics tying him to the crime. None.
The prosecution has had one major smoking gun in its case, and it's Paul Murdaugh's video that he took at 8:44 p.m.
Hey, he's got a bird in his mouth. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Cash. Come here, Bubba. Cash.
Did you recognize any voices on that video?
Paul Murdaugh, Maggie Murdaugh, and Alec Murdaugh.
You recognize Alec's voice?
Yes, sir.
How will they explain that Alec was actually at the dog kennels 5 minutes before the murder when he claims to have been sleeping?
Were you in fact at the kennels at 8:44 p.m. on the night Maggie and Paul were murdered?
I was.
You continued lying after that night, did you not?
But once I lied, I continued to lie. Yes, sir.
Would you ever do anything to harm Maggie?
I would never hurt Maggie. I did not kill Maggie. I did not kill Paul.
The State versus Richard Alexander Murdaugh. Verdict, guilty.
It doesn't matter how prominent you are. If you do wrong, if you break the law, if you murder, then justice will be done in South Carolina.